Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can use Textjoin function in Microsoft Excel to connect all the text in one cell. Before the introduction of Textjoin function in Microsoft Excel 2019, we used to use and concatenate function to connect the text together. Let me connect all this text using and. So I would write is equal and you can click on this text and now insert and after that, since we want to have a space, for that we'll enter double quotes, again double quotes. Again you can enter and this time we'll click on state, again and, again double quotes, comma, double quotes, again and, district, again and so on. Now it is possible that while entering you might make a mistake because it is going to be a lengthy formula. I have written now enter and there we are. Now you can simply drag this to copy the formula to the rest of the cells. The other function that we used to use is concatenate function. Let me show you. Is equal concatenate text1, comma, text2, comma, text3 and so on. Close the bracket and enter and there we are. But you might have noticed that there are no spaces between the texts, and that is the problem with concatenate function over here. So let's get to the business and I'll show you how you can easily use Textjoin function to connect all the text together in one cell. So I'll write is equal Textjoin delimiter. Delimiter is anything that can insert a space between two different texts. It can be a dash, it can be simply a space, double quotes, or just a comma. For this particular demonstration, I insert double quotes as double quotes are nothing but a space, comma, ignore empty cells. Since I want the empty cells to be ignored, so I would click on this first option, comma, and let me select the text. So this is going to be our text. Close the bracket, enter, and there we are. You can see in no time this Textjoin function has done the job for us without any hassle. Now if you are going to delete the text from this particular cell, you can see no extra space has been inserted, and this is because of the fact that we have ignored the blank cells. If you do not ignore the blank cells, let me show you what would happen. Over here in the true, I'm going to write false. That is this one, and let me click enter and there we are. And this time if I'm going to remove this text, you can see there are two spaces now. Let me delete this one as well to show you clearly. Now you can see space is increasing because this time we have deleted two words. In this way you can use true or false to make sure whether you want spaces to be ignored or to be considered in your data. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.